Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you I'm going to be showing you how you can make your own fake little virus prank, like up here. So, I'm going to show you how to do that. First, I want to go on Notepad. Then you want to, you want to do this code that is in the video description below. So now what you do is do save as, and you have to save it to your desktop. Do whatever you want. So for example, prank. So let's just do prank.vps. You want to do that. Then as you can see, there's that thing right there. So now if we click on it, see that? Let's see. So you can even click the X as well. So now what you want to do is go on this, name your title to whatever you want. I recommend doing this virus detected. You can really name it whatever you want. I just like calling it that. Let's just name it your computer is infected. Now you can actually do different logo thingies right here. So yeah, so if we did, for example, it just said okay before, but if we change it to 1 and change the 16 to a 48, for example, 48, then do file, save, don't do save as, then click on it, this will pop up, computer is infected. Now the cancel button is also there, so we can press cancel. Now if you accidentally go on this and accidentally click the X, and when you click on it, this will obviously happen. You want to do right click, then do edit, then it'll be there. Also if you just press open right here, it'll do the same thing. So now what you want to do is do enter 2 times. Then you can do the exact same thing and do you want to, wait, no. Let's just do virus detected again. And then when you do this, you can do yes, no, or cancel button, or a yes, no button. So the yes and no button is forward. So you can do 4, then do save, then look what happens. You can't press the There you go. So you can add as many as you want. Yeah. By the way, all of this will be in the description. All of this kind of coding. So yeah. Oh, by the way, I also made this text to speech.
Hi my cool peeps.
I'll show you how to do this in the next one, so yeah.
Okay, let's get on with the video.
So yeah. Okay, so now let's try it. There we go. So now what we want to do is create shortcut. And you want to hide this file right here in a folder. So let's hide it in our downloads. Actually no. We can hide it anyway. I'm just gonna hide it in, actually, you know what? I'm just gonna hide it in here for now. And then you want to go in properties, change icon, then you got all of this stuff right here. So you could change it to whatever you want. You got a load of things. I think you can browse for your own as well, but just for this example I'm just gonna do the why don't we just do like why don't we just like do like this now. Then you want to do apply. Oh, for goodness sake. Okay, there we go. So yeah, okay, let's do it now. Computer invented. There we go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, and goodbye. Definitely leave a like if this helped you out. You can even like name it recycle bin, cause there's like a thing that has recycle bin. So yeah. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Bye bye. By the way, I'm gonna point my friend about this. So yeah, goodbye guys. You have to make a shortcut enable, like do the thingy. Alright, goodbye guys.